In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about splitting payments in Xero, a crucial skill for anyone managing their business finances. With this guide, you'll learn how to split payments accurately and effortlessly, ensuring your accounts are always up to date and precise. First, we'll start from the Xero dashboard. At the top of your screen, you'll notice a menu bar. Direct your attention to the section labeled Accounting. It's key to familiarize yourself with these sections, as they'll be your gateway to managing your financial transactions efficiently. Click on this accounting option and it will open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, go ahead and select Bank Accounts. This section is where all your bank-related activities within Xero are organized, making it easy to navigate through your banking tasks. Now, after clicking on Bank Accounts, you'll see a list of all the bank accounts linked to your Xero profile. Find the bank account where the transaction you want to split took place. With that account in sight, click on Reconcile. This action takes you to an overview of recent transactions, providing a comprehensive list of what's happening financially. Once you're in the bank reconciliation section, look for the transaction you want to adjust. Here, you'll need to click on Find and Match. This feature is exceptionally handy as it locates transactions you have previously recorded in Xero, ready to be matched with those on your bank feed. By doing this, Xero consolidates and clarifies your financial activities, paving the way for accurate bookkeeping. After you click Find and Match, explore the list of transactions that appears. These are potentially what you're looking for. Spot the transaction that you wish to split and select it. This ensures the transaction in your Xero account aligns with the transaction on your bank statement. After selecting your desired transaction, it's time to click on Split. Next comes the crucial part, entering the part payment amount. As you do this, ensure the split segments accurately reflect the transaction's reality. This step is about precision and attention to detail. Once you've entered the amount for the initial split, click on Split again. To finalize the process, go ahead and click Reconcile. This step ensures the transaction is correctly accounted for, maintaining the integrity of your financial records. And there you have it. You've successfully split a payment within Xero. Remember, using Xero's tools like these can significantly enhance your financial management, reducing errors and improving clarity. With each step now clearly outlined, you're well on your way to mastering the art of transaction management in Xero. Happy accounting?